Hello, November. I want to start off by wishing all the November babies a very happy birthday. Yep, November. But not before my coffee. I forgot about this cup. My daughter gave me this cup. It's a big one, too. So I'll do half of that. November is a big month over here in this house because my daughter was born in November and my son-in-law was born in November. They have the same birthday, but he's 1 year older than her. All right, I forgot a knife and I forgot everything. He's 1 year older than her. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. Good morning, November. I have some hard-boiled eggs, and I forgot I had a pear. I always forget to take off the label. I washed it, but I forget to take off the label. And I made some, what do you call it, English muffin. I gotta use up this cream cheese. It's too big. I gotta buy the small cream cheese. I think they do have a small cream cheese. Anyway, November is my daughter's birthday, my son-in-law's birthday. Same birthday, well, a year apart. He's older. And it's my sister's birthday. And it's also my daughter and son-in-law's wedding anniversary month. They got married in 2001. It was a hard year because it was the year of the 9/11. And the thing about that, her wedding, I'm going to finish the ham because, you know, it's time to finish the ham. So I'm going to just put it there. And there. And actually I have some more. I don't know. I'm going to put it on the... I'm not going to eat this peach pear now. I'm going to munch on it later. And I'll munch on it with the ham. So now I just have mortadella left. Just a couple pieces. Tomorrow might be it. So let me... Anyway, 9/11, September was my daughter's... So 9/11, I think it was on a Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 12, 13, 14, 15. So September 15th was her scheduled bridal shower. But for some reason, I said to myself, I don't want to do it I want to do it at the end of September. And I changed the date to the last Saturday or Sunday, I forget, in September. And it was like, because everything was not working on that Saturday after 9/11, the world, you know, New York was a mess. The other states, we were a mess. In shock. But 2 weeks later, wasn't perfect. We're still in shock. But 2 weeks later, we had the shower. I was like this. And she told me, oh, we're going to Hawaii for our honeymoon. Hawaii, after 9/11. I said, Hawaii? I said, Vera, come on, Niagara Falls is nice. She goes, Ma, please. She goes, that's Bill's parents wedding gift, part of the wedding gift. I said, all right, well, I was sick 2 weeks. So wrecked. I said, you have to, call me or something. I think we had phones. She had a phone. I didn't have, but I had a house phone. Call me. Anyway, everything passes. And November is the month of gratitude. And gratitude turns whatever I have into enough. So November is my daily reminder that I have enough. I have enough joy. I have enough problems. I have enough pains. I have enough to do. And there's enough to look forward to. So, happy November. Get something good to eat. This is so delicious. This ham is so freaking good. It's not even that salty. It's not prosciutto. It's not prosciutto. It's a ham. I know prosciutto, and it's more expensive than this. I mean, this was a little bit more money than regular ham, but nothing as expensive as prosciutto, which is worth it because prosciutto is delicious. Anyway, get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. And always, always be thankful for whatever you want to be thankful for. Talk to you later. I almost forgot. This is what I got left over. I didn't give away the peanuts. I gave the, the regular or the Kit Kats. I gave all the Kit Kats away. I was like doubling up.